Morning light spills across the garden, and everything feels still. Every day, he waits by the gate, not because he's told to, but because his heart tells him to. Hours drift by like leaves on the wind. He listens, he watches, he hopes. Then a sound, faint but clear. The pitter-patter he's been waiting for, the sound of tiny paws. And just like that, the silence is broken. A joyful blur of fur and love rushes through the gate. They bark, they tumble, they dance in the light. Two hearts, one rhythm. At day's end, they rest side by side. The sound of tiny paws, now a lullaby of love. Some bonds are silent, others you hear with your heart. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories.